Welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to learn a fun fact that really no one cares about or no one needed to know. And that is, does 4 265/35/18s fit in a 1985 Mazda RX-7? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not well, but it does. And also reeks of tire in the car. And before you ask, did I buckle it in? Yes, because I was concerned it was going to fall on me. So it didn't work the greatest. I kind of expected it to, like, you know how like some seat belts you can pull all the way out and they like retract and lock at the same time? This didn't do it, so it's kind of aggravating because I was expecting it to lock the tire into the seat. That did not happen. So on to actually what we're doing today. A lot of drifters do this all the time, and it's not really something that makes for a great video, but it's something I need to do anyways, so content is mount all these mucho macho bad boys onto all the Carbyne wheels and get them on the car. I'm thinking about driving that to my hometown tomorrow, and I might vlog some of that. I had to take all the tires out of the things to get them to fit in the car because I'm a moron and I didn't plan correctly. Mostly because some things came up today. So hopefully I got a dyno time scheduled here soon. I'm looking to do it next week during the week, probably after work, and get everything sorted. So keep pulling these out of here. Oh, good lord. Like hurt my shoulder the other day and is making me pay for it for sure. So tonight, other than mounting the tires, see these mucho machos, all their glory. So the brand is Cosmo, and they make the bean burrito. So, and I'm thinking about painting a name on each tire just because the names are so ridiculous. I think it'd be hilarious to have like one that's like nacho tacos and quesadilla. I don't know, maybe I'm a moron, but I think it's funny. Oh, that's gracious. My shoulder's killing me. All right. Don't roll away. Why are you doing this? Okay, that's shit. Get that started up there. Locked. I'm one of those sticklers that has to lock everything. Oh, and it fell over. There we go. So anyways, I want to at least get 2 of these mounted tonight. It depends on how much I care about getting them all 4 mounted. I hate my tire machine because it leaks off air, and the compressor we have for it is definitely not large enough. So let me get through all this mess. So this is our old tire machine, but Nolan got it I say a long time ago, maybe a couple of years ago. And then the tiny air compressor that we have to run it, which does not like it. But yeah, get the car ready and hopefully drive it. I'm gonna put roughly 3 hours on the car, and if it doesn't make that, then we've got bigger problems. But it's been a long time since I've cruised this a long distance, so right now I'm just kind of wandering around because I'm a moron. So all right, let's get you set up and let's start doing it. Bye. they make these packages. Well, I get why they make the packages so hard to get into, but good Lord, like. So that took forever, and that's only doing 2 tires. So just for giggles, I'm curious to see what the 265 Kenda looks like versus the Mucho Macho. Oh, sounds like we got a guest. Alright, so we got the new tires on, the ye old Nacho Tacos. And I just need to go grab some lug nuts tomorrow. And then we can go ahead and cruise. We're going to probably put about 3 hours on it. Roughly about 150 miles or so. And just kind of test things out, make sure it's working properly. Not really going to get in boost until we hit the dyno. So I did fix a couple things. You see I cleaned out the inside a little bit. And then this was sagging a little bit because I had a conflict with another driver last year during a comp event. But right now the car is ready to cruise. So, looking good. Trevor over there. So, yeah, I think that's it for the night. Next thing is going to be putting the window regulator in on the driver's side, and then painting the interior so the dash, the door cards, the cowl all matches, and it's just a little quality of life things other than the livery, getting that done. Once that's done, then I think we'll be ready for Drift Week. So hopefully. That's what you sound like. So when are you starting your channel?
So going to start it at the end of October, so in a month from now I'm going to actually fire up the first video on it. So
okay,
we're going to kind of see where that goes. It's going to start off slow like everybody else's, you know. It's for fun. Honestly, at the end of the day, it's one of those kind of things I think I personally enjoy.
Yeah, I have a ton of fun shooting videos.
Yeah.
And everything, so doesn't bother me at all.
So my first one's going to be like the track event, and then it's going to be like probably going to do like a track event video, and then like over the week that Austin's here, a little footage each day, and especially like FD. Go down the FD, we're going to have fun to record. I think it's just going to be like one of those like few day videos. So I wouldn't say few days, but in like 15 minutes and go on.
I'll put his name right here, and go check out his channel whenever he drops a video, and all the RX-7s.
Pretty sight.
All the RX-7s. Where are you going, babe?
I'm out.
Where are you going?
I'm out.
So, all right, I'll catch you guys next time. Like I said, all the links will be in the description. Link to Central Speed Supply, Carbyne Design Wheels, Deatschwerks, and Atkins Rotary. Those are all my sponsors. So huge shout out to all of them. Yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.